Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So you guys, I never start off with doing my eyebrows, but someone asked me to show them how I do my brows, so I was like, why not? So I am starting off with this Morphe brow, and I can't remember exactly what color it is, but I will link it in the bio, or not in the bio, but in the description box down below. But this is how I like to sculpt my brows. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. So this is a angled brush with a spoolie at the end of it that I got from Ulta. It's a Morphe brush. I will link it in the description box down below. And this brush right here is super old. Don't know what it is, who it's by, anything like that, but I do have a brush similar, and I will also link that in the description box down below because it's kind of like the same brush, works well. But anyways, I'm going to take my Fenty concealer, and I believe this is in the color 350 if I'm not mistaken, and we're just going to shape our brows. So I am using the Morphe, I forgot what color it is, as always it'll be in the description box, but I'm using a different color concealer, more of a skin tone concealer on the top of my brows. So y'all remember when I told y'all that I'm out here in these streets single? Well, I like it here, I really do, but the selection is trash. Real quick guys, and here are the brows, okay? If you guys like the brows, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. So we're gonna jump right in using our Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And from there, you guys, I did forget to show you guys the foundation, but I still use my Morphe foundation from the last tutorial, but nothing's changed with that, and we all know how to apply foundation. But anyways, so if you haven't watched the last tutorial, you guys know we go in with the Fenty concealer because we love our Fenty concealer. Anyways, listen, let me tell y'all about this date, okay? So y'all know, like I said, the dating scene has just been terrible. I went on a date with this guy, right? Cool, homeboy is cool. Now y'all, we didn't go to no fancy place. This wasn't no fancy little date. You know, I just needed an early start in the morning one day when I didn't have my kids, and he was like, hey, you want to go and get breakfast? And I said yes. So I made a thing. I said, listen, I'm gonna get up, I'm actually gonna get dressed, film for you guys, get ready for, you know, this little breakfast thing or whatever, and I'm gonna go. So we went to breakfast. Conversation was cool. He was a cool guy, like I said. Now we finished eating, the bill comes. Now he leave the bill sitting there on the table for a little bit. I'm like, okay, I'm getting the vibe that he's not trying to pay this bill. But I also made up in my mind that I'm not about to pay this bill. So the waiter comes, and her and I are chopping it up, and she goes, I don't want to rush you, I'm not meant to rush you, but whenever you guys are ready, you can just go ahead and, you know, just leave payment. I can come back and get your bill, whatever, you know, like that's the vibe that she's getting. So she leaves and comes back, I want to say probably about like 2 or 3 times saying the same thing. So finally the table is clean, like all she got to do is wipe it down and take payment. You know, I'm looking at him, he's looking at me, I'm like, okay. So finally he grabs the bill and he goes, okay, so how you want to go about splitting this? Normally on the first date I like to go Dutch. Now I look at him and I just start laughing because I couldn't believe it. I said, Dutch? I said, okay. He goes, is that fine with you? I said, no, that's not fine with me. He goes, well, why? Tell me why that wouldn't be fine with you. I said, because first of all, you asked me out. And I said, and second of all, that bill is only $23 and like 50 something cents. Baby, you ain't got it. You asked me out. Like, I couldn't believe him. So he goes, yeah, you know, I guess you right. You right. I did ask you out. Okay, so handle it. Handle it. All right. Well, you know, next time, you know, I expect for us, you know, to, you know, maybe switch off. Okay, boo. Okay. So y'all know I had to go home and reflect, and I did just that. And I just really want to let y'all know that it's very, very, very important for you to date with intention. Like, women today, we offer so much. We out here doing our thing. We owning businesses. We taking care of our kids. We are just being rock stars in every arena of life right now. So be intentional about who you give your number to. It's okay to say no. And obviously, I definitely should have said no. Like, first of all, homeboy did not meet the qualifications at all. But me being nice and whatnot, like, okay, I haven't been out there in a little minute, let's go get my feet wet. Went out there, took a chance, and, you know, came back with this. So, you know, back in the house I go. He ain't nothing but a word. I like to be in the house anyway. Okay. So you guys, aside from dating, I have been working on myself entirely. I have been making more time in my day for myself to just sit and hang out with my kids, having some reserves. You know, it's just been so nice and pleasant to just be around myself. I've just been feeling it, you know. Y'all, we're going to go in with 2 colors from this palette, and that's going to be it. That's going to be the look. And those 2 colors are Kizzy and Dakar. We're going to go ahead and place Kizzy into our crease. And that's going to also be our transition color for the next color combination, which is Dakar. And then we're going to go ahead and just place that all over the eyelid, but also we want to blend that into our crease line as well. So I just kind of did mine like a little messy. I like the messy looks that people be doing. So why not try it? Something cute for the summer. Why not be messy? Have messy makeup or something. Using a fluffy brush. But you guys, this is the look pretty much. I went ahead and threw on some lip liner and summed up this lip with my clear Fenty lip gloss, you guys, and blot out. This is the look, you guys. So I hope that y'all like it, and thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.